Good morning, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. I'm here at my local Lowe's, and today's project is going to be a Perma-Boot install. So if you have a leaking boot on your roof and you need to get it fixed, Lowe's is a good place to start, and I'll show you what to get and how to do it. So stay tuned. So you work your way back to the shingle department, which is here, shingles, and somewhere in that shingle department you should find this. It's called a Perma-Boot, high performance roof flashing, permanent vent pipe repair. So if your vent pipe, I'll show you a picture of that. Here you go, see this? Sticks through your roof. The pipe flange deteriorates over time, before and after. And we're gonna show you how to install this. Rubber gasket fails, no shingle removal required, no cutting, no anything. So this is the simplest pipe boot repair you're gonna find anywhere. And check that out, the best part about it, made in the USA. Hey, Drew with Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, and I am here today just to show you how easy it is to install this 3-in-1 Perma-Boot. In my opinion, I've been doing roofing for 40 years. This has been the best and the easiest fix for any homeowner. Homeowner friendly pipe boot, 3-in-1. Watch this. From unboxing to installing, it can be literally done in minutes. You have the base. Then you have the top part that is universal to any roof pitch. So if your roof pitch is a 4 or a 12, it's gonna work, 3 even. It already comes with this part in it, which is a 3.5-inch pipe extension if your pipe is 3.5 inches. Mine is the 2-inch pipe, and this is how easy it is. You're gonna take your base and your universal pitch finder. You're gonna take your pipe. I live at the beach. I'm in 110 mile an hour wind zone. I'm gonna just put a little dab of caulking around the inside of that, slide it over, twist it a little bit, push it down. You have basically installed your boot. These are the 2 other parts. This is for 2.5, and this is for 1.5 inches. Don't need that. This is a 2.5-inch pipe. You're gonna take this again, put a little dab of caulking, and you can put it inside that rim, or you can literally pull it right here on the top. Slide that down inside of the pipe. That's why the pipe absolutely needs to come somewhere as close enough to the top that this will fit inside of it. So I'm gonna slide that into the pipe, down over the top of, done. That's how easy it is to install or repair a leaking pipe boot. Thanks for watching.